So I occasionally get the hiccups, and when I do, now it's like once a year, this is what they sound like. And they're absurd.
Give me away.
Huh?
Give me away.
Oh, you want me to get out of the way? Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. You're silly. I know, ridiculous, right? Totally uncalled for. No reason to be hiccuping that loud. I didn't think anybody in the entire world would hiccup that loud. I do.
Yeah.
It's absurd.
Mom, I'm gonna take pictures.
Take a picture. Click. Click, click.
Click what?
No, I got it. See? We're cheesing.
I gotta push it.
All of this for taking my vitamins.
Mom.
No, you can't push it because it'll stop. It'll stop Mom's video.
No, it's
Oh.
not.
Huh?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
There. Ian, say hi to the camera. Hello. Thumbs up. Oh, thumbs up. I forgot how to get rid of these hiccups. Good job.
What's this?
What? Good job. Thumbs up, huh, brother?
You have the hiccups?
I have the hiccups. The hiccups hurt a lot. Do you have the hiccups?
No.
You don't? How does mom hiccup? Can you show me how I hiccup?
Get away, Mom.
Get out of the way? I'm out of the way. Here, you're in it. Show Mom how she hiccups. Can you do it too? That's scary. That's some scary hiccups, don't you think? Oh. That's weird.
Come out. Come out here. Back here. Come 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 back here. Back here. Get back. Hey, come back here.
Should Mom hold her breath? See if I can get rid of the hiccups?
What's this, Mom?
What? You're silly. Okay, are you ready? We're going to hold our breath, see if Mom can get rid of her hiccups. You know what you're holding your breath? Okay, hold your breath. Oh, you're holding your breath?
Mom, what's this?
How do you hold your breath?
Mom. Mother.
What?
Mother.
Hold your breath. Hold your breath.
Mother.
No, try holding your breath. Let me see.
Baby.
No. No bad words. Okay, we're going to go because Ian has decided that he wants to use bad words. So we're going to turn this on. And we're going to attempt. Okay, you're going to hold your breath? Okay, hold your breath. There you go. Hold your breath. Is that how you hold your breath? You like this. Okay, hold your breath. That didn't work, did it? Okay, Mom's gonna hold her breath. Here we go. Ouch.
Okay, come back.
Okay, Ian, hold your breath. my elbow with that. That wasn't nice. That hurt Mom. Okay, Ian, hold your breath. Okay. Did you get rid of your hiccups?
Yeah.
You did? Did it get rid of Mom's hiccups?
Yeah.
It did? Okay, hold your breath. See if it gets rid of Mom's hiccups.
Okay.
Okay. You holding your breath?
Yeah.
Okay. It didn't work, did it?
Yeah, you have no hiccups.
I have no hiccups now?
Nope.
Oh, I'm all better?
Yeah.
Okay, hold your breath. See if it gets rid of Mom's hiccups.
No hiccups.
No. No hiccups?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You cover your nose.
Cover my mouth? Why?
Yeah. Cause.
Do you want me to hold my breath?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold my breath. Is it working? Doesn't sound like it. Okay, you try. Okay, hold your breath. Did it work? What are you doing? Don't pick your nose. Okay. You ready to hold your breath? See if you'll get rid of Mom's hiccups? Here we go. Hold your breath.
Mom,
What?
you turn the show on.
No, you hold your breath.
No, you can't show on.
I'm going to turn my show on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom, turn the show on.
Good night, everybody. And here's hoping we get rid of these. Say goodbye. Say love you. Oh, love you. How do I love you, huh? Like this. Try it. Do I love you. That's pretty close. Except you're missing the other two fingers. I love you.
Let's turn the show on.
You want to turn the show on?
Yeah, we
Okay.
are.
Adios.
Yay.
Say adios.
Mom, let's turn your phone
No, can you
off.
say adios?
Hey.
Okay. How about goodbye?
Yeah, goodbye.
Can you say goodbye without farting?
Goodbye, buddy.
No, say goodbye without farting. No, say goodbye and don't fart.
Bye, buddy.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Let's turn your phone off right here. Phone off right there.